你好. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is curry eggplant with potato. The English word potato comes from Spanish patata. The potato was first domesticated in the region of modern-day Peru around 5000 BC. It has since spread around the world and become a staple crop in many countries. Potato is the fourth largest food crop, following rice, wheat, and corn. On average, each person in the world eats 73 pounds of potato each year. There are many varieties of potatoes. The International Potato Center, based in Lima, Peru, holds an ISO-accredited collection of potato germplasm. Now, before we start, let's take a look at what we need for the dish.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of ingredients. 16 ounces eggplant, skin removed, cut into bite-sized pieces. 8 ounces potato, skin removed, cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 4 tablespoons ginger-infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger-infused oil. If you are interested, you should be able to find it in my channel. 1 tablespoon curry powder. Half teaspoon salt. 1½ cup chicken broth. We finished the preparation and now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute, the oil is hot. We're going to add garlic to cook for 1 minute until the garlic is browned. It's been a minute, the garlic is browned. Now we're going to add potato and eggplant to cook for 1 minute until the eggplant is slightly soft. It's been a minute. The eggplant is slightly soft. Now we're going to add curry powder, salt, and chicken broth to cook for 11 minutes with the cover on. It's been 11 minutes. The potato is soft. I just removed the cover. Now we're going to cook for 1 minute without cover on until the liquid is reduced to almost nothing. It's been a minute. The liquid has been reduced to almost nothing. It is done.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoy this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.